like to share fun facts, and this is a coconut, a young coconut. And welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. Speaking of welcoming, coconuts are a nice welcoming present, housewarming presents. Whew. I love coconuts. And today I'm going to tell you how to open up a coconut without a machete. Now, I didn't say without a knife, but I'm going to start without using a knife. I'm going to show you. Now, a young coconut is about 6 to 7 months old. After 12 months, the coconut's usually fully mature, and that's when the meat gets more solid. A young coconut, on the inside, it has like a fleshy, like soft meat, and it has more water than a fully ripened coconut because the water in here starts to solidify and turn to that harder piece of coconut meat, which is also so yummy. Now, traditionally, you take a machete and you whack it on the pointed end, and you stick a straw in it, hopefully not plastic. But today I'm going to show you a trick. I think it's an easier way to open up a coconut, and you don't need a machete. So if you turn it over, you can just start ripping the fibers away with your hands, like literally, okay? Now, to speed things up for this video today, I'm actually going to cut it on this end with my cutting board, okay? And so, I'm going to take a small knife and just cut off these guys. Okay, sorry, you can't see this on. Okay, that's better, I guess. Actually, I don't even, well, I guess I do need a cutting board. Okay. Pull some more with my hands. You can use a bigger knife too if you want. But I'm almost there already, actually. Now what we're looking for is this hole. I think, did I find it already? No, let's keep looking. It's kind of like a bowling ball where you see like a face, like 3 circles, 2 eyes and a mouth. Pull that off. Okay. That'd be crazy if this one doesn't have it. But you can already see like these little fleshy things. And then there should be one soft spot. Oh, I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, that looks like it's it. I'm gonna peel this away so it's easier to grab that. Sorry, it's on the opposite side. I'm sorry about that. Guess I could come to this side. Gotta use my right hand. Okay, look at that. Right there is your spot. Now, I actually could have opened that up with my finger. Here, we have access to the yummy coconut. Yeah. So, I'll turn you back around, and then we will enjoy the coconut. Oh my god, it's so good. It has sodium in it. It tastes salty to me. Now, this is one of the 3 cooling foods that I recommend for hot summer days. And so I'm going to break down the nutritional facts of the coconut in that video. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how to open up the coconut. It is so good. I just want to keep drinking it. Now I did want to measure it out because they say that there's a half a cup to a cup of coconut water. So let's pull out our measuring cup and see how much water it has. Now, it's taking a while to come out, probably because there's some flesh inside of it that's like in the way. And this flesh is really great to put in smoothies and stuff. But sometimes you can break another hole to kind of let it flow a little bit. But it's coming. Not quite at half a cup yet. I know. Oh, I'm losing some of it. I could just like leave that there too. And it's coming out. See? It's coming out. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Do you like this video? Is it useful for you? If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Maybe even share it with somebody you love. Look at this. It's almost at 3/4 of a cup, and I already drank quite a bit of it. It looks a little yellow, and I don't know how normal that is. It's probably got a little extra potassium or something. It definitely tasted more salty than usual, so I don't know if that's good or bad. Dude, we are almost at a cup, and it's just about done. I might be able to get more. Alright, let's get a good thumbnail here. I should pretend I'm like... Oh my god, there's more! Okay, put it on an angle to get some more. I don't want the thumbnail to give it away, so here's my thumbnail right here. Look at the smile. Can you tell how much I love coconuts? See what I mean by the face? Oh, hello everybody. Aviva wants you to know that she loves you very much and she really appreciates you watching her channel. Oh. La 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, what's up? My name is Coconut. I ain't a nut. Nope. Just don't worry about what other people call you. See, people call me a coconut, but I'm not a nut. If I worried about that, then I wouldn't keep making the beautiful fruit that I'm making for you. So, just be yourselves. Just keep on producing the amazing stuff that you produce for people. That's being you and kind-hearted. Focus on that. Alright, see you in the next video. Love you guys.